Before we begin, we'd like to thank Hyundai Pampanga for allowing us to feature some of their vehicles. You can find their contact details in the description of this video. Hey everyone! Welcome to AutoPH. Today, we'll be checking out the 2019 Hyundai Kona GLS. This video will be a full tour and review of the Kona. We'll be checking out the different exterior and interior features. Here's the key, let's go ahead and check it out. The Kona is equipped with Hyundai's proximity key feature. To lock the car, press the button on the door handle. To unlock, just press it again. The Kona comes with a black cloth interior. This vehicle comes with push-button start. With the key inside the vehicle, simply put your foot on the brake and press the start button. This vehicle comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual mode. This vehicle is powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with 149 horsepower and 179 Nm of torque. It is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Power is sent to the front wheels. The Kona is a new subcompact crossover SUV from Hyundai. It was locally revealed at the 2018 Manila International Auto Show. It is available with only one variant, which is what we are currently showing you. The Kona is equipped with split projector type halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights. The headlights, turn signals, and fog lights are mounted on the bumper. It is equipped with LED turn signals on the side mirrors. On the rear, it is equipped with incandescent taillights. The third brake light is mounted on the spoiler. The rear turn signals are mounted on the bumper. The exterior color on this Kona is known as Lime Twist. The 2019 Hyundai Kona GLS has an MSRP of 1,118,000 Philippine pesos. The Kona comes with 17-inch alloy wheels in 215/55 R17 tires. This vehicle comes with a 3.8-inch LCD display with AM/FM radio, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary. The different selections on the screen are selectable using the numbered buttons.
That's good.
This vehicle is equipped with single-zone manual climate control. Below, you have a fast-charging USB port, auxiliary input, and USB port, and a 12-volt power outlet. You have controls for the entertainment system, Bluetooth, and cruise control on the steering wheel. Above, you have your map lights and sunglass holder. The gauges and display are very easy to read. Here, you have your window controls, door and window locks, and power mirror controls. The rear seat in the Kona is good with enough room for anyone with a height of 5 feet and 6 inches. You have your center armrest with 2 cup holders. Trunk space in the Kona is average. Underneath the floor, you have your temporary spare tire and tools. That's all for the 2019 Hyundai Kona GLS. Please subscribe and watch out for more videos.